Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to prevent anyone from seeing your following list on LinkedIn using the latest update. If you value your privacy and want to keep your connections discreet, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve that in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Me icon, which is represented by your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings page where all your privacy controls are located. Next, head over to the Visibility section. You'll find this option in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and it will display various visibility settings for your profile and activity. Now, scroll down until you see an option labeled Who Can See Members You Follow. Click on this setting to proceed. By default, this option might be set to everyone on LinkedIn or another broader audience. To make your following list private, choose the option that says Only Visible to Me. This ensures that no one else will be able to view the list of people or companies you follow on LinkedIn. Once you've made this selection, your changes are automatically saved. You can now return to your LinkedIn feed with peace of mind, knowing that your following list is completely private. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your following list on LinkedIn. This simple adjustment helps protect your privacy and gives you more control over who can see your network activity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online presence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.